Grilling is one of the most common forms of cooking. However, a carcinogenic substance called heterocyclic amines form when substances in meat react together at high temperatures. In addition, polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons are created when burning fat residues adhere to food surfaces. You can reduce these carcinogens by spreading foil under the grill to catch fat drippings. Then marinate your meats with organic wine, vinegar, or lemon, which changes the meat's acidity and prevents PAHs from sticking. Avoid over-grilling and trim off any charring. Lastly, keep your grill clean because this prevents carcinogenic residue from ending up in your next bite. I'm Ann Schechter, and this is the Wellness Minute.